Bihira na makapag ano nga. Trabaho. Julie, you can get out there now. Why? It's really cold. So you're like cold plunging?
Yeah, it's cold plunging.
Okay, you don't listen to me, huh?
That's fine, I'll go.
What is the monitor? Maybe you need a new Julian, you need a new bathing suit, yeah. Yeah. Are you done now? Come on now.
Yeah.
So we can go to
Bye, guys.
yeah. Ano, but I don't like your thing though. Oh, see. Almost. Baba mo yung damit mo nga. Sa likod. Yeah. Almost. See. What time we're leaving, Han? But Jelana is playing now. What is monitor?
Oh, did you get your towel?
No, it's in the middle. You want to took mine.
Oh, I grabbed it. That's the one I could reach. Why are they in the middle? I just don't understand.
I want to put it there.
Yeah, Jelana get it. See?
I'll get it for you. Yes, you did.
Jelana get it.
It's sunny. Everything's gonna dry out.
And then the water will be warm while we get back.
It will warm up.
We just need to go,
Yeah, you need yung ano, you can use now yung floaty and then nakababad na lang, no? Nakata. Yeah, I don't like that. Because it go down.
This works. I put this up here and it'll dry off really good.
like a string.
On the, what are the hands?
What's the hands for?
Oh, well, that's
When the hands are praying to go.
It's cold, the water is cold, so we have to get a heater.
I like five below.
I think you have to put that in the small trampoline, otherwise sis.
You run on a small trampoline, Jelani? Okay.
You wanna go now? We go to Target now to buy a heater, water heater. But we're gonna go to
Oh, a trailer. I can go to Target too.
yeah.
Yeah, because we need to go to get mine.
No, plus the floaty.
You put your things back here. Make legs ka pa dito mo. I know.
Ba't di ka pumasok ngayon? Bakit? Wala ka pang leave?
Hey, Joe, look at the green. There's a good spot for it right there.
Ba't di ka na pumasok? Wala lang. Bakit?
Hindi nga, akala ko nga mag-wisdom tooth na.
Okay.
I'm not gonna. No, I'm going. I'm not trampoline. Sorry.
Hindi sana nasundo ka.
I've been going all day long.
Hindi sana nagpasundo ka ngayon. Nandito naman ako nga. Okay.
Come on na, let's go, bye-bye.
May message ako sa'yo.
Cover, right?
Maricar, sumagot ka na ba sa message ko?
What's that? Nothing.
Latest ba yon or old na? Wow, the water is clear. Okay. Pag ganun, pag di ako sumasagot, message mo ako sa ano kasi hindi naman ako lagi nagpupunta sa Royal. Message mo ako na may message ka sa akin.
Start the,
Otherwise, hindi ko makikita.
I gotta start the filter and chlorine tablet.
What are you doing? What B? Where?
On this one end, Joe?
No, naman B.